Do you know that AI can create any sort of short video by any requested topic? Let us know how in my YouTube channel Learn the Logic. This is a Python program. Using that program a few days ago, I created a YouTube short on predicted cyber attacks for 2024. You can watch by clicking it here. So now I'll explain the code briefly. If you want to know the full code, please comment. So at the starting of the code, you can see some modules imported. But I'll not go dive into them, but I'll just explain the function. First function, find music, which will randomly shuffle and take the first index of the list. So now let's go down into idea. As the name suggests, it will gather idea or information. Now let's go to TTS. TTS will create voiceover for the video, and the now file size will check the video's file size and return the section. Now in the editor, I don't want to show the editor function, but I'll just explain. It will check the file size and it will crop the video and do all the stuff. Now let's run the code. Now it will ask us to enter the topic. For the demo purpose, I will enter water. Now it is gathering information. Then it will ask us to enter yes or no. Let's enter yes, and it will now gather video and voiceover. This code is fully automated. And guys, for subtitles, I'm using Clipchamp. Now as the exportation is done, I will show you the clip.
Water, the elixir of life. Essential for life, water constitutes around 60% of our body and is necessary for various physiological processes, including metabolism, digestion, and temperature regulation. Hydration maintenance, water helps regulate body temperature, lubricates joints, and transports nutrients and oxygen to cells. Waste removal, water plays a crucial role in flushing out toxins and waste products from our bodies through urine and sweat. Supports cognitive function. Adequate hydration is essential for optimal brain function, as dehydration can impair memory, attention, and overall cognitive abilities. Skin health. Drinking enough water helps keep our skin hydrated, plump, and youthful looking by maintaining skin elasticity and preventing dryness.
Consider subscribing, liking this video, and stay tuned for more videos.